Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking something really delicious, really tasty and very sweet. Donuts, baked and cooked in the oven with a lovely glaze on the top. So delicious. Please join me for this recipe, and don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a share, that'd be great. So without further ado, let's crack on. Now we're going to make a start by making our wet ingredients. So we take a bowl, not a very big one, and we're going to crack into it one whole large egg. So we pop that in, then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons full of melted butter, unsalted or salted, 100 millilitres or 1 ounce of whole milk. Then we give these ingredients a good old mix together and put them to one side. Take a fresh bowl, and in that we go with 120 grams or 5 ounces of all-purpose flour, 700 grams or 2.5 ounces of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also we're going to need a half a teaspoon of salt. Combine all these dry ingredients together, and then to the dry ingredients we're going to add the wet ingredients. Add this in a little bit at a time, keep it mixed, and we're going to end up eventually with a really smooth batter. So when it looks like this, it's time to fill our little donut moulds. Here they are. These are little silicone moulds. You can buy metal ones if you want. Now you put your batter into these little moulds, but you don't want to go any more than 3/4 of the way up the sides, otherwise they're just going to be too big. So do each one really carefully, a little bit time consuming, but it's worth it when you get there. And then I'll just finish it off by going around each one with the back of a spoon, and then you'll find as they rise they look a lot neater. So then it's off to the oven, gas mark 3, for about 20 minutes until cooked right through. Then let them cool down a little bit and turn them out onto a cooling rack. Then we can crack on and do the little bit of decorating. Now this is just a basic icing I've used, various colours. Try and get this over the top as smooth as you like. And of course, when that's all done, we're going to need a few sprinkles. And here they are. It just makes them look a little bit more tasty. And here they are, finished in all their glory. Different colours, different sprinkles, so tasty. In fact, they look so tasty, I've really got to try one. Well, look at that little beauty. So delicious. I'll tell you what guys, that is the spot. Really nice. Please try this recipe for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And take care out there. I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.